My bike check. Right. I have a Kink Launch 2011 frame. Is the, as you can see, Shadow Coral Pointer Slimmer seats with Shadow Conspiracy seat post in blue, Mission cranks, Shadow Conspiracy pedals, Kink Volt forks, they're quite strong. Kenda contact tyres, Federal Lacy bars, the V2s, the new ones, and Stolen Convict V3 stem in white. A pink Ramperk sticker, just a random little thing. I don't actually have a clue what my gyro is. Mission lever, ODI grips, ODI bar ends, Alienation rings in black, obviously. Mission hubs, well, Mission front hub, but I have a Verd back hub because mine recently broke, and my whole wheel is Alienation. The chain is KMC, I think, and yeah, that's my bike check.